90% of all online businesses fail in their first 4 months according to industry statistics. But of the 10% who do succeed, research shows that most follow the same 3 business strategy steps. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly what those 3 strategy steps are so that it's easier for you to get your online business started in 30 days or less. And we're starting right now. Now, before we get started, be sure to get the Fast Start guide for today's video with a link below. This guide will summarize everything we talk about today so you don't have to bother taking notes and you can apply the ideas here faster. I'm Jay Forno, founder of LearnZig.com. And over the past few years with my online training courses, I've helped over 4,000 entrepreneurs build online courses to create income and freedom in their lives. So what are the main 3 steps to follow if you want to build an online business in 30 days and not waste time working on the wrong things? Well, the best way to do this is to focus on 3 main areas. Number 1 is to model successful systems. Number 2 is to build successful habits. And number 3 is to scale your time and effort. If you focus your efforts on these 3 steps, launching your business will be faster and more profitable. So now let's dive into the details of each of these 3 steps one by one. So before we move on, remember to get the Fast Start guide for today's video from the link in the description below. So step 1, modeling current successful systems. Now step 1 is all about modeling successful systems that successful people in your niche already use. Now if these systems already work really well, why would you reinvent the wheel? But remember, this is not copying exactly what others do word for word. It's being inspired by and learning from their systems and content so you can create something better and a bit different in your own style. Now, this is how everyone starts out. We all build on the knowledge of those before us. No one's just born having all the answers. Modeling is super valuable because it gives you the hope that what you want to do can be done and the confidence that you'll know exactly how to do it. Step 2, building habits and systems of success. Now, step 2 is about building automated habits of success, which allow you to take action every day on only the most important things that will launch your business better and faster. Now, the best way to do this is to start by working from the inside out, by first believing hard that you have the identity and the character traits of someone who naturally and effortlessly does the things needed to get the results that you want. Then you discover and follow the most efficient process to get what you want, and then the results you want will flow to you automatically. Your goal should not be to focus on getting the results you want first and then figuring out which processes will get you there. It's hard to build habits if you work in that direction because it usually ignores your identity. And without a strong belief in your identity of being the person who can get the results you want, it's hard to make your habits stick. Your goal should be to become the type of person who naturally follows the best process, doing the right tasks to automatically get the results you want day in and day out. Now, the big benefits of building your habits from the inside out, starting with identity, are that you get small wins and rewards every day, not just after reaching your goal, so that you end up falling in love with the process and the prize. And loving the process is the secret sauce to success for all high achievers you see out in the world. If you love what you do, getting what you want is easy. Your daily work then becomes naturally automated and effortless. You easily get into the flow state of the zone, where you don't notice time and everything seems easier. You prevent self-sabotage by proving to your subconscious mind with every small win that your new habits are a good thing, and your identity is that of someone who always does the right things to get the right results. Now, step 3, scaling your time and effort, is all about how to get more done using less of your time and effort. And the best way to do this is by leveraging the productive power of other people, systems, platforms, and ideas. Now, before you start any new project or task, always ask yourself, what's the most effective way to do this using the least amount of my time and effort? And can I get more done with less of my time and effort by leveraging the productive power of other people, systems, platforms, or ideas given the resources that I have available. Using the productive power of scale in your business as soon as you can allows you to achieve multiple times more income with the same time and effort. Scale can also help you get unstuck, get out of overwhelm, become less stressed, and prevent burnout. Scale takes you from survival mode to thrival mode in your business and your life, which gives you more freedom to live life on your terms. So the big takeaway for this video is that building a profitable business in 30 days is a lot easier when you focus your efforts on just the 3 big steps of modeling, habit building, and scale. And this gives you a clear and simple path forward. You also avoid distraction and wasting time on things that don't help you. And launching your business, making money, and building freedom in your life becomes easier and faster. And all of this will make you feel more organized, certain, and confident about your business and your life. Now, before we finish, remember to get the Fast Start Guide for today's video by clicking in the link in the description below, so you can start applying these ideas a lot faster. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe below. And also let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.